Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to sign into your USCIS online account in 2026. If you need to check your case, upload documents, or manage your application, this is the first step, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you're on the official site so your personal information stays secure. Now on the homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Next, enter the email address you used when creating your USCIS account. Make sure it's typed correctly with no mistakes. After that, enter your password. Be careful with uppercase and lowercase letters, because passwords are case sensitive. Now click the Sign In button to access your account. If everything is correct, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you can't log in, click on Forgot Password to reset it, or check your email for any verification issues. Sometimes you may also need to complete a security verification step, like a code sent to your email or phone. Just follow the instructions on screen. Once you're signed in, you can check your case status, upload documents, or manage your applications easily. And that's it! Now you know how to sign into your USCIS online account without any confusion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.